Well, this is the box where Mary bought in Michael's.
Anong tawag dyan ay? Mystery box.
They call this a mystery box.
Only for what? How much, Nay?
Only for $10 only.
Ayan, no?
Wow.
Imagine. Only for $10.
Wow.
This stuff is, we do not know what is inside.
Yes, mystery.
Because this is a mystery.
Is it worth $10? Let's see.
Wow,
Open.
here, oh.
Open na, Nay. Open.
Open it. Only for $10.
Oh. Ano kaya? Isa-isa mo na, buksan mo. Ilagay mo dito sa tabi.
Christmas ribbon.
Oh, wow. Ribbon.
Oh.
Ang dami.
A cabinet.
Ano yan?
What is this?
Parang you light it up. Ano? Ornaments.
Ornament.
Oh, ang ganda.
Wow.
Ang dami. $10 lang, guys.
Cane. This is cane. A star.
Puro mga ano.
Yes.
Nay-orn ng ribbon.
Oh, clip. For Christmas tree.
Do you think this is worth $10? You think? Oh, yeah. Bawi na yan.
Yes. Yung ribbon.
Sa ribbon pa lang, oh.
Mahal nito eh.
Isang box ng ribbon.
Imagine.
Oh my gosh.
May sabitan ka pa, oh. Ayan, oh.
Yeah.
Sa Christmas tree.
Yeah. I think that's it.
From Michael.
Yeah. Picture, Binay.